Hello everyone, welcome to Protect Night. So in this video we'll see how to resize and rearrange tiles on Windows Start menu. So first click on the Windows icon in the left bottom, and in the right hand side you can see several small tiles. Now I'll show you how to resize the tiles. Right click on a tile. I am clicking on this calendar tile and you will see this resize option. So you have four options here: small, medium, wide and large. So small will make it small, as you can see here. I am giving wide, and we have the large option here. So this is the resize part. So now the rearrange part. So to rearrange the tiles, you can just drag and drop them. So it is as simple as that. So friends, I hope you found the solution you are looking for. If there are any other issues, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.